Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the Gourmet Cupcake Mockup in Pixlr. Go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and it'll give you a couple of options. We'll click on Playful Pixlr X, and then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup. And then we'll find the mockup we want to use. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then Apply to open the original size mockup. And then we'll click this icon at the bottom on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then Browse to find the design on the computer. It'll ask us if we want to create a new document or add it to the current. We'll click Add Current. Then once it places it, we can just click and drag it into place. You might need to resize it. To do that, hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click and drag any of the four corners. Dragging in makes it smaller, dragging out makes it bigger. And once you've got it sized the way you want, you just want to duplicate it a couple of times. So to do that, we'll click the three dot icon in the thumbnail icon in the Layers panel, and that'll open up the Layer menu. And then we can click this icon with the two rectangles that says Duplicate Layer when we hover over it, and that'll duplicate that. We can go back and click the three dots again, open up the Layer menu again, and then click the Duplicate Layer icon again. We'll have three copies of our design. We can just click and drag them into place. And once you've got them placed and sized the way you want, you just want to save it. So just click the handy blue Save button at the bottom. If you're going to use this online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a JPEG version for the thumbnail. So we'll click JPEG and then change the quality to 100 and leave it on high and click Download. And it's just going to let us know the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give us an option to change where that is. If you wanted to, you could click the Save button again, and then save a Pixlr document by clicking PXD and then clicking Download again. And that's all there is to adding your design to the Gourmet Cupcake Mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.